Okay, yeah, yep, it's right there. It's at the fourth house, right between the.
And I see her pool.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're like, oh, what are we gonna do?
Yeah, I got to get down somehow.
Yeah.